In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to lock any app on your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, please support us by subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. The first thing you need to do is open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. For me, the app is on the second page of the home screen, but you might need to search for it using the search feature or even download it again from the App Store if you can't find it. Once you open the app, tap on the Shortcuts tab at the bottom left. Then we'll create a new shortcut, so tap the plus button at the top right and then select Add Action. Now search for the lock screen option. You'll find it under the scripting section. Add it and then tap Done at the top. This way, your shortcut will be saved. The next step is to set up an automation. Go back to the automation page and tap the plus button. Then search for App and tap it. Next, tap Choose and select the apps you want to lock. For example, you might select Lightroom, Facebook, or Delta. Once you've chosen them, tap Done at the top right. Make sure the Eyes Opened option is checked. You can also choose whether you want a notification to appear when the automation runs. Then, tap Next. And that's it. From now on, any app you selected will lock your phone as soon as it's opened, requiring your passcode or Face ID to access it. For example, if you open the Lightroom app, you'll notice the device locks immediately, and you won't be able to continue unless you enter your passcode or use Face ID. This feature provides great protection if someone else tries to use your phone. And if you really found this video helpful, don't forget to support us by subscribing and giving it a like.